Jamaican YouTuber taken out outside her St. Andrew home, which has left the entire community in shock and disbelief. Hi again and welcome. This is ll3D TV News Report, and we'll have the details of this to come right now on this newscast. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to ll3D TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. ll3D TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is ll3D TV News Report. Jamaican YouTuber Nicola Campbell was taken out outside her home on Little Crew Road, St. Andrew on Tuesday. According to police reports, the 36-year-old was returning from work at the Kingston Public Hospital where she worked as a registration clerk when gunmen approached her and opened fire, hitting her several times. She was pronounced dead at the scene. The mother of three regularly shared videos of herself and her children on her YouTube channel, Nicola Campbell's Journey. The comment section of her YouTube channel were flooded with shock and condolences following the news of her passing. The police are yet to establish a motive behind this latest homicide. The residents in Little Crew Road, Kingston 10, looked on in shock and sadness on Wednesday morning as they recalled the chilling events that took place on Tuesday night. Miss Gibson Campbell was described by an elderly male neighbor as a good little friend who regularly checked on him to ensure that he was doing well. It is further reported that Miss Gibson had grown up with her grandmother and had lived in the Little Crew Road area for years, residents said. Her former classmate remembered her as a quiet soul. The police corporate communications unit confirmed the report and said that no suspect had been held in connection with the crime. The St. Andrew Central Police say they are investigating the matter. We'll continue to provide you more details to come on this newscast. This has been ll3D TV News Report. Thanks for watching.